Okay, girls, imagine walking into school on day one feeling completely ready, confident, and put together. No last minute panic, no messy mornings, and no saying, I'll get organized tomorrow. This year, we're leaving those habits behind and starting fresh. So, if you want to feel more organized, confident, and ready for your best school year yet, keep watching because we're getting everything ready before school even starts. Before you focus on grades and productivity, let's fix your study space. It doesn't need to be huge or expensive. It just needs to feel clean, organized, and motivating. Start by clearing everything off your desk and get rid of old papers, empty bottles, broken stationery, and anything you don't use. Give your desk a good clean, then put back only your essentials so everything is easy to find. Now for the fun part. Make it aesthetic and personal. Choose a color theme you love and add cute organizers, desk accessories, photos, a mini plant, or an inspiring quote. And don't forget the lighting. Use natural light during the day and a cute desk lamp or soft fairy lights at night for a cozy vibe. You don't need expensive decor. Just a few simple touches can make your study space feel fresh, peaceful, and totally you. Okay, girls, now let's talk about school supplies, because having everything ready before school starts can save you so much stress. First, check what you already have at home before buying anything new. Make a simple list of the essentials: notebooks, pens, pencils, highlighters, folders, sticky notes, and a planner. Choose supplies that are practical, but also match your style. Cute stationery can make studying feel a little more fun, but remember, you don't need to buy everything you see. And one more tip, label or organize your supplies before the first day so you can easily find what you need. Trust me, future you will thank you. Okay, besties, now let's get into your simple glow up because you don't need 100 products to look and feel your best before school. First, skincare. Keep it simple. Cleanse your face twice a day, moisturize, and never skip sunscreen during the day. You don't need to completely change your face. Just take care of the skin you already have and let your natural glow show. Next is hygiene. Shower regularly with a body wash you love, keep your underarms and feet clean, and brush your teeth properly so your smile feels fresh and bright. Now, let's talk about hair, because good hair can instantly change your whole look. Keep your scalp clean, and if oiling works well for your hair, gently oil your scalp and lengths before washing. Then wash and care for your hair according to what works for your hair type. And girls, don't forget your nails. Keep them clean, neatly shaped, and moisturized. Clean nails instantly make your hands look more polished, but the glow up doesn't stop there. Take care of your lips and keep them moisturized. After brushing your teeth, you can gently brush your lips with the same toothbrush to remove dry, flaky skin and keep them feeling smooth. Now, let's get your school outfits ready because we are not having a morning outfit crisis. Before school starts, try on your uniform and make sure everything fits, looks neat, and feels comfortable. Wash, iron, fix, or replace anything that needs attention. Then plan your complete look: shoes, socks, hairstyle, bag, and accessories, so you're not standing in front of your closet thinking, "What am I wearing?" And remember, whatever your school uniform looks like, you can still make it look fresh and put together. Clean shoes, matching socks, a neat hairstyle, and a fresh bag can make a huge difference. If your school allows it, add small touches like a cute scrunchie, hair clip, cardigan, or simple jewelry. You don't need a whole new wardrobe, it's the little details that make the look. A little planning before school starts can save you so much time in the morning. Instead of trying to figure out your hair when you're already running late, pick a few hairstyles that are easy, cute, and actually work for your hair type. Try them out beforehand and see which ones stay in place throughout the day. You can go for a simple high ponytail, a cute half-up style, a sleek braid, or even a messy bun when you want something super quick. Also, keep a few hair essentials ready in your bag, like a small comb, extra hair ties, and a couple of cute clips. That way, if your hairstyle gets messy during school, you can fix it in seconds. So, before the first day arrives, test out your favorite styles. Choose your top 3 and practice them a few times. Trust me, your future sleepy self will thank you. Now, let's talk about your bag because, girl, an organized bag can make your whole school morning so much easier. And bestie, you do not need to buy a new bag just because you're starting a new class. Nope, simply clean your old one properly and make it look fresh and new. Now here's exactly what you need to do. First, take everything out of your bag. Yes, even those random papers and old wrappers hiding in the bottom. Give your bag a good clean, wipe the inside and outside, and check all the pockets. Throw away anything you don't need and keep only the essentials. Now it's time to pack for your new class. Start with your books and notebooks. Check your timetable and only pack the books you actually need for that day. This keeps your bag lighter and way more organized. Next, add your pencil case with your pens, pencils, eraser, sharpener, ruler, and anything else you use regularly. Then keep a small section for your school essentials, like your ID card, diary, planner, homework folder, or any important papers. And bestie, don't forget a few little emergency essentials. Keep some tissues, hand sanitizer, a few hair ties, and a small comb in your bag. You never know when you'll need them. Finally, check every pocket one last time and make sure everything has its own place. Your bag should feel organized, clean, and easy to use. Not like you're carrying your entire bedroom to school. And if your school allows it, now comes the fun part, decorating your bag. You can add a few cute accessories like keychains, charms, ribbons, or a fluffy pom-pom to give your bag a little personality. And if your school doesn't allow keychains or bag decorations, no worries. A single cute fluffy pom-pom is more than enough. Simply attach it to your bag's zipper and you're done. It's small, simple, and still gives your bag that adorable little touch without breaking the school rules. Okay, bestie, we need to talk about something that can completely change your first week of school, your sleep routine. If your summer nights have turned into one more episode at 2 a.m., don't expect yourself to suddenly wake up at 6 a.m. feeling fresh and productive. Your body is going to be like, absolutely not. So start resetting your routine about a week before school starts. Don't change everything in one night. Instead, move your bedtime a little earlier each day and slowly start waking up earlier too. Try putting your phone away at least 30 minutes before bed. You can also take a quick shower, do your skincare, or read a few pages of a book. The goal is to teach your brain that it's officially time to wind down. And please don't wait until the night before school to set your alarm. Practice waking up earlier a few days before so your mornings feel much easier. Most importantly, get enough sleep for your age. You'll have more energy, better focus, and by the first day, waking up early won't feel like torture. Now let's not forget about your digital life. Before school starts, clean up your phone and make sure everything is ready. Delete unnecessary photos, apps, and old files, organize your school apps, and check that you remember your important passwords. Also, create a separate folder for school stuff so your notes, assignments, and important files are easy to find. A little digital cleanup now will save you so much time later. Now think about what you want your first month of school to look like. Instead of making huge goals, choose a few small ones that you can actually stick to. Maybe you want to submit your homework on time, improve in one subject, participate more in class, or stay organized. Write down 2 to 3 goals for your first month and keep checking your progress. Small goals may seem simple, but they can make a big difference. Here's a little school trick that can make your whole year easier. Try to know at least one person in every class. You don't have to become besties right away. Just introduce yourself, sit next to someone new, or start with a simple question about the lesson or homework. Having one familiar person in each class means you'll always have someone to ask, "What did the teacher say?" or "Which page are we on?" So don't worry about finding your best friend on the first day. Just be friendly, start small, and let the friendships happen naturally. And bestie, don't leave everything for the morning. The night before your first day, get everything ready in advance. Pick out your complete outfit, including your shoes, socks, accessories, and hairstyle. Pack your school bag, fill your water bottle, and keep all your essentials in one place. This way, when you wake up, you won't be running around thinking, "Where is my other sock?" Just wake up, get ready, and start your first day feeling calm, organized, and totally prepared. And on the first day, don't just sit anywhere. Try to choose a spot where you can clearly see the board and comfortably hear your teacher. Pick a seat where you won't have to constantly turn around or lean forward just to see what's happening. If possible, choose a place where you can stay focused and actually pay attention during class. On the first day, when you're completely ready, do one final check in the mirror. Check everything. Your uniform looks perfect, your shoes are clean, your hair looks beautiful, and your bag looks nice and organized. Also, check your socks, collar, and accessories to make sure everything is in place. And once everything looks good, give yourself one little smile in the mirror and say, "Okay, I'm ready for my first day." And that's it, bestie. You're officially ready for a fresh school year. Get organized, stay confident, and make this your best year yet. And don't forget to share this video with someone who actually needs these tips.